we're here to talk about Unit 1, 1.1 legislation. Explain how UK and international legislation and regulations apply to the digital support sector. So there's a big list of here. You do not have to talk about all of them. I would pick maybe two and talk about them in a professional discussion with your tutor, or create a report on Microsoft Word. And your reports don't need to be longer than 3 or 4 sentences per act. So the Health and Safety Act is about protecting employers, protecting employees, and protecting customers who come into a workplace. So in a digital support sector, let's say you were working in a Microsoft store or an Apple store. Of course, you wouldn't want to have wires all over the place. Occasionally, you've got phones that are plugged in and the wires are tucked in back behind a wall, so that for security, so that they can't be taken, and also so they can be charged. So they're thinking about the layout of the room. There are always instructions in case there's a fire, what to do in any kind of business, whether it's digital support sector or not. There's also sort of, if you're in a call center and you're chatting with someone, you also have the right as an employee, and you see this a lot in pharmacies and supermarkets in the UK, that they will not accept abusive conversations. If you're having a bad day, then the Health and Safety Act is sort of protect employees from angry customers. Now, the Data Protection Act is as simple as you guys give me your addresses and phone numbers, and I can use those for business purposes, but I cannot share them with anyone else, even another learner, without your permission. So there's other things, of course. You can always look down in the blue text. This one is about the health and safety. If you scroll down a bit further, you've got the Data Protection Act, and it talks about what it is and why it's important, the Computer Misuse Act. But you've got more than enough things here you can talk about in a short amount of time. Okay, thank you, and thank you for listening. See you in the next video.